Okay. Dear brothers and sisters, in the last class we have discussed the son-in-law went to his father-in-law's house who was very ill. When he saw there was a cat under the cot, using his common sense, he told to his father-in-law that father-in-law, you have eaten a cat. So today we are going to discuss another story. Please listen very attentively. A son-in-law, after his marriage, wanted to go to his father-in-law's house. A man from his village gave him 3 advice. At first, use big and high-sounding words. Use big and high-sounding words. High-sounding words. Second, sit on a high place. Third, first say no. Given the food to you. Then the son-in-law went to his in-law's house. He used there the high-sounding words. First towards his mother-in-law. He told to his mother-in-law, you are the sweetest, kindest, greatest and gentlest lady. The mother-in-law was very much pleased to hear this. She praised her son-in-law in front of the laborers for using high-sounding words. Then, following the second advice, sit on a high place. The son-in-law did not sit on a chair. So where did he sit? He preferred to sit over paddy sacks piled high. There are some paddy sacks piled high. Paddy sacks piled high. On the top of the paddy sacks, he sat. When any food was given to him, it means his mother-in-law prepared rice pudding for him. Okay? When she offered the rice pudding to the son-in-law, he said no. According to the third advice, when the mother-in-law offered the rice pudding, in Odia khiri, he said no. No. But 2 or 3 drops of rice pudding fell on his plate. And he tested it. He wanted to have more pudding to eat. It means when he tasted the pudding, it is very delicious, very tasty. So he wanted more pudding. But he think it would be impolite to ask for the pudding. He wanted to eat some rice pudding. He carefully watched where the pudding was kept. The mother-in-law kept the pudding on a sikka. Have you ever seen sikka? In towns, nobody can use sikka. But if you will go to the village, in former times, people use sikka. Okay. This is all about this paragraph. Okay. Dear brothers and sisters, now open your books. Page 36. Sense group paragraph 1 first. A son-in-law, after his marriage, was planning to visit his father-in-law's house for the first time. A man from his village gave him the advice: use big and high-sounding words in your father-in-law's house. Always sit on a high place. First say no to any food given to you. A son-in-law, after his marriage, ବାହାଘର ପରେ ସ୍ୱାମୀକୁ ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ, ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘରକୁ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ। A man from his village gave him 3 advice. ତାଙ୍କ ଗାଁର ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ, he gave him 3 advice. First advice: use big and high sounding words. You will use big and high sounding words. Then second advice: sit on a high place. It means don't sit on the floor. Sit on a high place. Third advice: first say no any food given to you. तुमको प्रथमे जो खाद्य दक्षा हो तुम नहीं करी. He therefore used very long and high sounding words towards his mother-in-law. The son-in-law used big and high sounding words towards his mother-in-law. You are the sweetest, kindest, greatest and gentlest lady. Because the son-in-law follows the advice of that man. Use big and high sounding words to others. So the mother-in-law became very happy. And she told about the son-in-law towards the neighbors. My son-in-law used such type of words to me. You are the kindest, greatest, gentlest and sweetest lady. Okay? Then when the in-laws offered him a chair to sit, the son-in-law did not sit on the chair. Where did he sit? He sat on over a paddy sacks. Paddy sacks means धान बस्ता जोड़ा. जो धान बस्ता सब थुआ उस कारण बोले धान बस्ता तल ऊपर देते धान बस्ता जो थुआ उसको से ऊपर देके बसला. The son-in-law sat over the paddy sacks. Paddy sacks. He follows the advice, second advice of the man: sit on a high place. Okay? When any food was given to him, he said no. One night, his mother-in-law prepared delicious rice pudding. Delicious means delicious. Delicious, सुस्वादु. Delicious rice pudding means खीरी, मीठा खीरी. जुआई को जाई चंदी सासु प्रिपेयर करछन मीठा खीरी. हला. The mother-in-law prepared delicious rice pudding for the son-in-law. For the son-in-law. When he was served the pudding, he said no. The son-in-law said no. No, no. कुणिहार जाइथिबा आमे खाई बसे चिकेन झोल टिके हेची भात हेची चिकेन टिके खाया को मोर इच्छा थिबो से जो कुणिहार जाइथिबे आनी दउथिबे ना थाउ 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 किंतु इच्छा हमरा खाया पई थिबा लाइक दैट द son-in-law said no no. It means he maintained formality. He formality maintain करना ना. But 2 or 3 drops of pudding was kept on the plate. 3-4 ढोका पड़ी जाइछि प्लेट रे खीरी. The son-in-law tested it. Tested it. The pudding was very tasty. So he wanted some more. But it is impolite to ask her or to beg her. So he watched very carefully. The son-in-law watched very carefully where the pudding was kept. Sasu खीरीटा को कोठी रखिले से चाहंदे. The son-in-law kept. The son-in-law watched very carefully where the pudding was kept. The mother-in-law kept the pudding on a sikka. Do you know what mean by sikka? सेतबेले गाँ गहली रे एबे भी अछि हमर बिलेई काले खाइ दियो सेतबे गोटे सिक्का रे थिया खीर थिया हुए दही थिया हुए आ जे कोनसी जिंस मध्य थिया हुए सिक्का रे. The son-in-law watched his mother-in-law kept the pudding on a sikka. Dear brothers and sisters, this is all about this sense group paragraph. Now write down the plus one. Write as an example. Okay, good to best. Look at this very actively. Good to best. So sweet to sweetest. Sweetest. Bad to bad. Worst. Bad to worst. Heavy to heaviest. Beautiful to beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Write down quickly. Dear brothers and sisters, write down quickly. Be quick. Then write down the homeworks. Write the opposite words. Face, comfort, dry, Willing. Write the answers and send me through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you to all.